How's it going, YouTube? I'm Travis from Travis' Mopar Garage, and this is Red, or Old Red, like most everybody likes to call him. 1985 Dodge pickup. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos or you've subscribed, you see where I've gone with Red. Red's been lowered. I pulled the 440 out that had a bad bearing on it, and I put the 408 Magnum in it. The motor's got 525 horsepower, 510 foot-pounds of torque at the flywheel. So this truck, once it gets going, should move pretty good. Should. These trucks weigh 3,600 to 3,800 pounds depending. I haven't weighed this one yet, but that'll be coming in other videos. Today, let's let this truck go by. Today, we are going to be fixing a freeze plug, and I have a review on a tool that I bought just to do the freeze plugs. So we'll get into that and how I'm going to do this, why it's in the truck. So let's get into it. So this is the tool I bought. It's the OEM Master Freeze Plug Installation Kit. Bought off Amazon, like everybody buys everything off Amazon. There's the part number if y'all are looking for it. And then I could not find, where is this plug at? This plug here. You can see down in it, it's a 5/8 plug. I could not find a single freeze plug, so I went ahead and bought basically one for a rebuild kit from Milling. There's the part number. But it has all my freeze plugs in it that I should need for the entire motor. And it's got some other plugs that I could use for other stuff. So anyway, but I'll get the right one out and we'll get this going. So here, let's open this box up. See what's all inside of this thing. Got all these different adapters with it. From huge, you know, all of them. So what I have to do is I have to figure out which one actually fits in that. I guess it would be that one, wouldn't it? That one seems a little sloppy though. That one fits the best. That one does there. Is there? No, there's no like, says like 5/8 or anything on it. That one's a lot bigger. So, I guess these are supposed to be put in this one. I'm not sure what that collar is though. Some instructions and instructions, man. Now I look at them. But anyway, you have a bent one and a straight one. Almost seems like I'm missing something. I might have to look at this and see. She's got threads on it, so I figured there'd be some kind of adapter. Maybe that adapts to it. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, we're working this out. We're getting it. Check this shit out. Yeah. Okay, so evidently, well, yeah, let's pause. Okay, so you take that little ring there and slide it over, and then that way you can get into all kinds of weird situations and you'll still drive it in straight. So we're going to see how this works. We'll get to this, and I might have to use this offset one because I got the headers on it, but we're going to try and get into it. I was going to unbolt the, let's get this switch. I was going to unbolt the motor mount and roll the motor up, but I'm going to try it with this without unbolting that. If I can get it to drive in there good, where it's easy, I won't worry about it. But if I'm having trouble getting it to line up right and everything, I'll go ahead and we'll pull the exhaust, rotate the motor to where I can get a better hit on it. So we'll see how this master kit works, and we'll be back. Hey guys, real quick, don't be that guy. If you're gonna be up underneath something, make sure you get your jack stands properly put in. Vehicle weighs way too much for it to fall on you. I just wanted to put that in there real quick. Make sure you're using your jack stands. Alright, we're going to try and get underneath here. Get this freeze plug put in without unbolting the motor. So we'll be back. I'm gonna go right back up in there. I was supposed to. Well, as you can see, that tool worked pretty good for putting in the freeze plug. It went right in there. So we can get on to bigger and better things. Hopefully that freeze plug won't leak. The only way to tell is fill it up and see if it leaks or not. Well, what's up guys? It's the end of the day, and we got old Red running today. It's not running now. Blue radiator hose. That's what happens whenever your fans don't work and you overheat. Cut it off. I cut it off just as soon as I noticed it was getting hot. And sat here for a second and it blew off the lower radiator hose. So hopefully it didn't hurt nothing. But I don't think I have my radiator hose tight enough, because it shouldn't have slipped off like that, even under high pressure. Blew the radiator hose. Yep, blew it right off. Good thing is that popped off. So if it had enough power to pop that off, my freeze plug is still in the block. So I don't think it'll leak. So anyway, we're gonna get back on this tomorrow. Let it cool down. I'll get that radiator hose put back on. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, see, it just blew right off of there. And so we gotta fix that now. I gotta fix this wire on the fans for the ground. They weren't grounded out. Let's go around here. We'll look at where the dash is right now. Get this flipped around. So yeah, I got the dash out, and like I said, I'll put a little bit of the short I made of the truck running. But yeah, that's where the dash is at now. I gotta make a connection. I hooked to the wrong power wire. I didn't have any power for my dash. But But all the gauges that we're supposed to be working, we're working. So we're good on that front. But anyway, if y'all like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. And remember, Tuesday, I got a surprise for everybody. It's not a surprise for me because I know it's coming, or at least I'm hoping it's coming. But it's something I've wanted for a long time. Hopefully I'll get it Tuesday. And I'll do a video Tuesday, so be looking for that. And if you want notifications, hit that bell so you can get it when you can be one of the first ones to see my video when I come out Tuesday with it. Alright, later guys.